That's a wrap. Thank you for listening.
So I just wanted to first say thank you so much for this incredible presentation. Like as someone who I think doesn't come from a more traditional like AI background, this was incredibly informative. And I also really liked like all of the images like kind of guiding through the talk as well. That was incredible. So thank you so much. And we're going to open it up now for questions. So if anyone in the audience has anything to ask Zara, please put it in the chat and we'll get to it soon. But hopefully now we'll start with some questions that we had from ourselves. And so one thing that I was wondering was recalling like the beginning part where you were talking about how the AI healthcare scene is expanding like aggressively and like really quickly. I just wonder which, I guess, subdomains do you think have, I guess, the greatest potential for growth? Like, where do you see will have the most rapid growth in the next 5 years? Where would you say AI is still overpromised and underdelivered? And are there any areas in healthcare where specialist AI models are not just like preferred, but could also be like the go-to like method for safety and accuracy? What is your opinion on like which would be the most important subdomain?
Most important subdomains, I believe, there is one that's really obvious. That's the virtual care and patient-facing co-pilots. If you can build cost-effective healthcare solutions that are remote, and if you can deliver pilots that are really focused on specific use cases and address those, specific pain points really well in a focused manner, I think that's really there is a really a great opportunity there, and we're going to see lots of specialized co-pilots and also lots of cost-effective remote care for patients.
Mhm.
That's really, I think, very helpful also for solving some of the problems that the theme of this year focuses on, which is helping displaced populations globally as well. The second subdomain is on the operations side, automating admin processes like claims and clinical documentation. So there is more to be done there, and that's another one that's going to see rapid growth, I believe. And then the clinical trial matching and drug discovery. So protocols driving these clinical trials and drug discovery and up to the basically drug development and validation and so on. So all of that will see also rapid growth. What may not grow as fast is the diagnostics part, mainly because it requires more regulatory steps. That can be a little bit of a hurdle. Although we are seeing, for example, the FDA adopt internally AI. For example, they have ELSA that's now helping with some of the processes internally. So hopefully we'll see some speed injected as well on the regulatory side. Now, where AI overpromised and under-delivered, for example, fully autonomous diagnosis and treatment, we're still early there. Precision medicine at scale, we're still not seeing personalized, for example, cancer therapies at scale. We're not seeing these solutions yet. And also interoperability. We are still dealing with fragmented software in the stack, whether it's for AHR integration tools. It's still very fragmented space, and interoperability is not sleek yet. And your last question was specialist AI models. I believe where accuracy is critical and general LLMs are not going to deliver, that's where specialist models will play a key role. So, I'm, for things like pathology, radiology, genomics, also things that require very large data sets to reach a diagnosis or a solution or a decision, basically. The other area where I see specialist models play a key role is in proprietary workflows, especially those that require FDA regulatory approvals, because it's still a process that can be lengthy and that require lots of steps and lots of effort. I think there is lots of room to bring specialized AI models that focus on specific proprietary workflows to help, streamline some of these processes as well.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing. I know that was a lot, but I think that kind of just like diving into the subdomains is really going to be helpful for the attendees and like I guess the people participating in the competition to be able to know like where to focus. So thank you for sharing.